guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan, and today we are going to be making our very own squishies. But I just want to say first, all lives matter. Second of all, I want to say that make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that like button, please. And now the final third, guys. I got a new video editing after literally 2 years of making YouTube. I finally got new editing, okay? All right, okay. So this video might be a little different, yeah. But I also got a new intro, guys. So let's just play the intro. Alright guys, now let's just act like there's no instructions. Now what I want to do is I have to put this on the funnel. This is actually really harder than you think, guys. We can make another YouTube video of how to make squishy. Yeah. And designing my own squishy. Well, no, because we already did that. We could do designing my own balloon squishy. Guys, I'm going to cut back when I have this on. Alright guys, so got it on finally. I kind of had to choose a different color. But I just want to say this. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn it from red to gray, and also hit the bell so you always have post notifications when I post my YouTube video. Okay, so that's clear. Now, I have some instant snow here. I'm going to pour some of that in. I don't know if I caught that on camera, but I just put a ton of instant snow on me. I'm gonna pour some of that in. I'm gonna pour a ton of instant snow. I think that's enough, or too much. Now, guys, I'm gonna let you guys come with me, and I'm gonna get some water, and I'm gonna pour it in. So I don't think you guys can see. I'm gonna pour it in just like so, and the instant snow should start to grow. Oh my God, you guys don't understand. Now it's having a little trouble going down. You guys, there's no way to explain how satisfying this is. It's having a little trouble getting down because the snow. Oh yeah, the snow's got it. But guys, it really worked. Look, okay, all right, this might be a problem. All right, guys, literally, I think it's going through the balloon now, but it's literally a squishy. Literally. Alright, so I saw this thing on TikTok where like it's easier to tie, because if you guys want me to be honest with you, I don't know how to tie a balloon, so I'm just gonna you know, I'm figuring a balloon, not tying it. But I do have to say, this is very I would pay money to have this squishy if I was you, because literally, look, oh, maybe I spoke a little too soon because the snow's starting to come out now. Oh, well. Oh, yeah. Maybe it's because it's not tied, so that's not their fault. That's my fault. I'm going to make another squishy, guys. This one is going to be green. This is the one we can design in the next YouTube video. Oh, and I don't know if you guys know or not, but I just wanted to clarify to everybody, all my viewers and everything, that I post every 2 days, okay? Sometimes I post every 1 day. All depends, but I try to my best to post every 1 or 2 days. All right, so now I'm going to put this on. Oh, yes. All right, guys, I'm going to cut back again when I have it together. All right, guys, I have it on. This time we have some, I don't know. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the pack. Alright guys, I got the pack open. Now, we're gonna pour it in. Oh no, they're having trouble getting down, but they'll get down. Oh, come on. Oh, they're starting to go in. Guys, they're starting to go in. Oh, they're in. if you guys like me like making these like creative YouTube videos and stuff, like I review stuff and make stuff and stuff, comment down below because I'll be definite to do more of these types of videos, because these types of videos are fun. Guys, this one's definitely a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10 because this is way more satisfying. I think it's already full. It literally is already full. Alright guys, I think we're done with this one. The worst part is I think one just went up. Now, like I said, the hardest part about this stuff. Oh man, I'm gonna have a huge mess to clean. I think the hardest part about making this stuff is that tying it, right guys. But anyway, what I was saying was, I don't know how to tie stuff, so it's even more harder for me than, I know how to tie my shoe.
Bruh.
I can see me having that back compass like, duh, bruh. Alright, I think I'm going too far. Anyway, guys. Alright, I think I've got it tied. If I can get this tied all by myself, I will be proud. Oh.
Bruh.
A fail. Anyway, guys, look how squishy this is, though. By me not being able to tie, I cut that out. Alright. So, listen to the sound. Satisfying. Satisfying. It's literally so satisfying. Now, for the ultimate test, to test the limits, we are going to put all the ingredients. Guys, the snow literally changed. It feels even softer now. Maybe it's because I like squishing it more. I don't know, but let's just say this. I love the snow. Alright, so I'm going to take this. I have another one. By the way, this is a different one. Just to clarify that, I'm going to put it on the top. Alright, guys, now that I got it on, I'm going to do both now. I'm going to add everything now. Alright, now that I got the beads, add a little more, because that's not enough, you know. I wonder if I should have did the opposite way. Nah, it's fine, because it'll just go right through. Alright. Also, comment down below if, like, some of the stuff is, like, boring parts. I can try to, like, edit it through so it skips, like, the boring parts. You just have to comment down below and let me. Unless the comments don't let you comment. But, no, I don't think that's like that on mine. It's just, like, famous YouTubers, you know. Alright. Don't mind if I do. Alright. Now I got both in there. So I'm going to test and see what happens now that I have both in there. So now I'm going to test what happened. As you can tell, I have my sink right here. Alright, so time to try this. It's weird because nothing is happening. Oh yeah, it's weird because it's like making a different reaction because, you know, the snow is starting to come up, but the beads don't want to move. So it's kind of a weird reaction. Let's keep showing. Guys, it's getting so soft again. Except for there's like hard little like bumps, so that just makes it worse. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, if you guys enjoy these videos, comment down below and let me know, because I will feel free to do more YouTube videos like this. I will. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and here goes all our squishies, hard, soft, and mix. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope everybody has a blessed day. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Bye. Woo!